जाने का ट्राई करूंगी।
या
उसके बाद उनको उनको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो कितना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं रिटर्न, उसके हिसाब से मैं उनको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अकाउंट सजेस्ट करूंगी, और जो उनके लिए सेटेबल होगा मैं उसके साथ आगे प्रोसीड करूंगी, सारे अकाउंट्स का इंटरेस्ट बताने के बाद कितना उनको रिटर्न मिलेगा।
नेक्स्ट नम्रता, प्लीज टेल मी।
Yes, sir. I will tell him to fill the form, and first I will ask him. First, I will tell him regarding the interest rate which is going on the saving account, and then I will tell him to fill the forms and submit the documents required, which I will tell him.
What are the documents required?
For the KYC, documents would be required: Aadhaar card and PAN card and photos and all.
नहीं.
So can I say?
What are the no? You attempted wrongly. You didn't proceed properly, Unati.
Oh,
Yeah, it was not satisfactory answer from your side. हमने
okay.
क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? एक आदमी एसबी अकाउंट खोलना चाहते हैं, आपने हमको बोलने लग गया हम उससे फाइंड आउट करेंगे उनको क्या चाहिए, क्यों चाहिए। ये सब बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है।
Okay.
बिल्कुल जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसका बारे में क्या आंसर होगा, उस आंसर को ब्रीफली बताना है। नम्रता भी ठीक से नहीं किया, क्योंकि खाली उन्होंने अकाउंट हम तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स मांगेंगे बोला, वो तो सही आंसर नहीं है। तो बोलना है केवाईसी डॉक्यूमेंट सच एज आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड और पासपोर्ट, लाइक दैट दोस डॉक्यूमेंट्स का नाम बताना है क्लियरली। फोटोग्राफ चाहिए बताना है, और मिनिमम बैलेंस इतना होगा ये भी बोलना है। से ये बिना
Okay,
बोल
sir.
के कैसे काम चलेगा? आप तो उसका बारे में क्लियरली, बोथ ऑफ यू हैव नॉट डन इट करेक्टली। लेट मी सी Tejas, how are you going to guide the customer?
Yes, sir. I will ask him for KYC documents and uh, mm, उसका सेविंग्स बैंक्स का पूरा जानकारी दूंगा उसको, रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मिनिमम बैलेंस, what interest rate you will get, etc. And ask for photograph and fill the application form for saving banks account. And last में thank you बोलूंगा.
That's right. No, actually this is not a very big question, but जब आंसर करेंगे हम लोग उनको क्लियरली बताना है। Say for example, he has come for SB account. So what you can do is, I will take an SB account opening form along with cards on which he has to sign. Then I will explain about the savings bank account, like the interest rate, minimum balance required, and the other terms and conditions, like say we'll be giving a passbook, ATM card, checkbook, etc. And then I will ask him to produce KYC documents such as Aadhaar card and also say the PAN card. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. कुछ doubt है? Yeah. So I will tell him so, and then I will ask him to fill in the application form, get it signed by him, then ask him to remit the required balance into the account. Then the account will be opened. I will give him a passbook, checkbook, and debit card and all that. Like that, you have to tell him. Okay. Unati,
Yes, sir.
could you follow?
Yes, sir.
आपने क्या start कर दिया? You said just as any marketing question में भी आप बोल दिया, हमने उसको क्या चाहिए वो find out करेंगे, वो तो जरूरत नहीं है इधर। Here he has come for opening SP account, but after opening you can say I will try to do cross selling of other products like insurance policies, mutual fund products, etc. That can be done subsequently. समझ गया?
ओके सर।
वो not you. Don't feel sad. अरे बाबा क्या हो
No,
गया
no,
उन्हें?
sir, not at all. I am not feeling sad. I am trying to learn here, so not at all.
Don't feel sad.
नहीं
So
सर, एकदम नहीं, बिकॉज
हाँ,
मुझे आता नहीं, दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू इन यस्टरडे कि अगर पूछ लिया तो।
good. So okay, very nice. So you should re Namrata, you also you did
Yes,
not
sir.
do it wrongly, but my suggestion is you must be able to explain in a very nice way. See, you are going to be a
Hmm.
salesman. You are going to be a salesman. You must enjoy talking to people, convincing others. बिल्कुल आपका अंदर में आना चाहिए. समझ गया? Just as
Yes,
now,
sir.
how much keen interest am I taking in trying to explain? 100% this question may not come in your interview, but still, I am trying to explain to you so that this strategy will help you in your answering further questions. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Namrata, please read the next question.
A customer reports loss of debit card or credit card. How will you guide him?
What will you tell him?
Sir, I will tell him to call the customer care support and get your card blocked, and then he can apply for the another debit or credit card.
No, there is no need for another debit or credit card. He has to take a duplicate.
Okay.
Once, now let us see what our Google uncle is telling about this. Loss of debit card how to get duplicate. See how nicely they have given. You can request via mobile banking app. Aajkal, a mobile banking app itself, they are giving us options of telling this card has been lost. Then
Mm-hmm.
through net banking also, you can tell the bank that it has been lost. Then or call customer care. Customer care को number होगा उसको call कर सकते हैं. Then the other option is visit a bank branch. Now we are in the last stage. The customer has come and is telling you like this. समझ गया?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
So
sir.
there is no need for you to ask him to tell the customer care and all that. जरूरत नहीं है. You are in the bank,
Okay, sir.
so you will be having access to the instructions to be given over the net. So using that, you can block the particular card. And I don't know, in some banks, maybe it has to be countersigned or counter authorized by our officer also. But since you are an officer, maybe you will ask your clerical staff to stop payment of that, block that, and then you will authorize that. समझ गया? Then
Yes, sir.
after that, for issue of duplicate, necessary instructions will be given through on nowadays everything is done through online only. Through the to the office which is issuing duplicate card, we will advise them through our online core banking solution. Could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
How do I get a replacement debit card if I lost it? Visit a branch. If you are not comfortable then with net banking or mobile banking, don't fret. You can simply visit the nearest branch of your bank to place a request for a new debit card. खाली आजकल क्या होगा, हम लोग ब्रांच को जाके बोलने से तो चिट्ठी देने से वो लोग चिट्ठी ले लेगा, लेके आपको वो कार्ड को ब्लॉक कर देगा. उसका बाद में नया कार्ड के लिए वो जो कुछ करना है वो अपना इन द कंप्यूटर ऑनलाइन वो सब वो लोग कर देगा. उसका बाद में these people have no role. It is for the issuing office to prepare a duplicate card and then send it to you. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Namrata. Now,
Mhm.
can you answer this question now? You are
Yes, sir.
sitting in the counter as officer. A customer
Mhm.
comes and says, sir, मेरा डेबिट कार्ड हो गया सर. अभी हम बस में आते थे कोई पिक पॉकेट कर दिया. क्या करेंगे? Say, supposing he says like that, and then what you will do? Come on.
सर सर, मैं कस्टमर को बोलूंगी कि आप मुझे एक रिटर्न में अपना कंप्लेन दे विद ऑल डिटेल्स क्रेडिट कार्ड या डेबिट कार्ड का, और फिर मैं उसे अपने जो अथॉरिटी डेजिग्नेट होंगे टू ब्लॉक द कार्ड, मैं उसको ब्लॉक कराकर फिर कस्टमर को गाइड कर फिर कस्टमर से फॉर्म फिल कराऊंगी न्यू डेबिट या क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए.
Form, I think there is no need for a new form.
ओके सर.
It is not a new debit card. It is not a new credit card. It is going to be
हम्म.
duplicate of the existing card.
Okay.
So you will, for example, I'm just, so you will ask him to give a letter. The letter itself, he will request, please issue a duplicate to me. Using that, at the bank, we will post details in the core banking software so that the issuing office will send the duplicate card to him, to his address through courier or registered post. It may take 15 days or so. Okay?
यस सर.
उसका बाद में हम लोग का कुछ रोल नहीं है. खाली हम लोग
हम्म.
इसको ठीक से लोड करना है. बाद में उनको 15 दिन का अंदर में कार्ड मिल जाएगा. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Yeah. Very
Sir,
good.
I want to ask one question. So the serial number of the card will be the same in duplicate card.
It's a good question. Mostly it will be same. Yeah. Mostly, it's a very good question.
Sir,
Will,
because
but
once
I have not had any experience. Will duplicate debit card have the same number as original? Will replacement debit card have the same number? If your old card expired and you are issuing a new one, the number will stay the same. However, the key information on the card, such as the expiration date and CVV, will change. अभी मेरे को एक कार्ड नया कार्ड आया था. दिसंबर में पुराना कार्ड एक्सपायर हो गया, नया कार्ड आया. नया कार्ड में भी सेम नंबर मिलता है. पीछे में सीवीवी नंबर मिलता है ना, कार्ड वेरिफिकेशन वैल्यू, वो दूसरा हो जाएगा. नीचे में एक्सपायरी डेट देता है ना, वो दूसरा हो जाएगा. Otherwise it will be same.
sir, but it is expired. That's why it is same, because once the same thing happened with me, my debit card got lost and I applied for the another new one. So they gave me another new card in which serial number is different, was different.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
Can two cards have the same card number? Practically zero. Debit cards are issued by different issuers like Master, Visa, so on. So they have system numbering. They will not have same number. Is a replacement card the same? The new card we send you will, oh, good. The new card will have a different number. You are right. Punati, you
Yes,
are
sir.
right. The new card will have a different number altogether. So
Yes,
that is right.
yes, sir. If it is lost, now then the new card will be different, and if it is expired, then they will give you the same number.
Exactly. Good. Exact answer. So now, by virtue of this question, we could know so many details, new ideas and all. Good.
Sir,
Replace
now I have one
re,
more question.
replacement card, will it have the same CVV? No. Different CVV will be there. Tell me.
sir, now you have said about core banking solution. Now interviewer can ask me, now tell me what is core banking solution and what is the advantages.
Now tell me, what is core banking solution? What are the famous softwares used in India? In what way core banking solution is useful for the bank? It is useful for the customer and it is useful for the economy. In what way? It's a बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है, तो ऐसे टाइप क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, हमने एक बात बोलना चाहते थे आपको. आपने बोला सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. उसके लिए आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, यू कैन गो थ्रू मेंस एग्जाम्स लेटर राइटिंग, समझ गया?
Yes.
मेंस एग्जाम लेटर राइटिंग क्वेश्चंस आपने देखने, सो उस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग वी कैन मॉडिफाई इट टू सूट दी सर्कमस्टांस. अभी these 10 questions I prepared within 10 minutes after you are raising that, and likewise we can make it for that. What is the topic given in the letter writing, usko we can make it as a situation based question. Now for you this question, please tell me CBS उसका बारे में बोलिए.
Hmm. I don't know much about it. I am yet to read. लेकिन as far as I know, core banking solution, bank record its all information in a digital form, and they connect other banks also and share credit. If they gave any credit to a customer or another bank, they share those information with other banks also. So in this way, all the banks of the country are connected with each other.
Mm, so no, answer is not correct. Namrata, can you tell me? Namrata,
Yes, yes, sir.
tell
So,
me.
core
Or I
banking
will,
solution.
or I will tell you first once. Listen to that carefully. If you want, take down notes. Then, based on that, you try to tell it in a different way or in a same way. समझ गया?
Okay.
Core
Yes.
banking solution is a software that is used for connecting all the branches of a bank with the main server of the bank. First sentence. Second, the famous core banking solution softwares are Infosys, Finacle, FINNACLE, and TCS Banks, BANCS. These two are famous softwares used in India. The advantage of core banking solution for the customer is that he can operate his account from any branch of the bank. He need not go to the first branch only. He can deposit cash in another branch. He can receive payment provided his own check from another branch. All these things, he wants to take what is that, a statement of account, he can get it from, or passbook entered, he can get it done there itself, any branch of the bank. In fact, yesterday I had a problem in Canara Bank. There is one app, A1, AI1. That one I was not able to proceed further for say the transaction password and all that. There was some issue. Immediately I approached the nearby branch of Canara Bank. There the officer sat with me and guided me fully for that. So that is the advantage. See, another branch officer can also help us in respect of our account. So this is the advantage for us, for the customer. For the bank, it is an improvised service. Instead of giving service in one place, I am able to give you service in 1,000 places, 2,000 places. So it will be a good source of extra facility for the customer. So our acceptability will be increasing. And economy में क्या benefit है? Since all the banks are interconnected, all the bank branches are interconnected, it helps people to have transactions easily, and it is one of the signs of the improvement of the economy that people can have transactions easily by sitting in one place, about the transaction another place, something like that. इसके लिए तो I don't get any definite answer. So the first
Circulation of currency.
सर्कुलेशन ऑफ करेंसी। आजकल तो करेंसी नहीं होता है, आजकल ऐसे दुकान में हम लिया था, वो बोला है वो जीपे, वो ही हैज पुट सम क्यूआर, व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड?
QR code.
हाँ, क्यूआर
क्विक
कोड
रिस्पॉन्स,
या क्विक रेस्पॉन्स
क्यूआर
कोड।
कोड।
तो ये वो उसको रखा था, वो बोला आजकल कोई पैसा देता नहीं, ये सब ऐसा ही शो करता है। सो दैट वे circulation part will not come here. So these are the 3 points you can tell about core banking solution. Unati Goyal. You can also search in Google like this, core banking solution, procedure, then usefulness. If you put like this, you may get some idea. See, please read this, Unati. A core banking solution.
A core banking solution is a software system bank used to conduct and manage their primary operations. It allows customers to perform transactions from any branch rather than being limited to the branch where they open their accounts.
Read.
What is the use of core banking solution? Core banking solutions help in efficient documents and record management. Core banking solution incorporates a centralized database that helps in the faster collection of data. It has become convenient for business to process cash, compute interest, open accounts, incorporate policy change, etc. Benefits of core banking solution: agencies that put the time into creating a CBS reap powerful benefits.
What is it? But where are you reading?
Sir,
Which
what is
one?
the same cell which you have highlighted? What are the benefits of CBS project?
Please read.
Agencies that put the time into creating core banking solution reap powerful benefits like gaining better insight into project spending and managing cost effectively. Formulating a strong structure on the front end minimizes the chance of costs getting out of hand and the project going over budget.
Please read again.
Formulating a strong structure on the
Arey
front.
bhai, that's why I'm not able to see. Read from here. What are the
Okay,
benefits?
what are the benefits of core banking solution? Agencies that put the time into creating a core banking solution reap powerful benefits like gaining better insight into project spending and managing cost effectively. Formulating a strong structure on the front end minimizes the chance of cost getting out of hand and the project going over budget. One of the most noticeable benefits
हेलो
of
भाई, सब कम समय पर क्वेश्चन नंबर पढ़ना है, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है, पढ़ने से तो दूसरे वाले सुनने वाले को पता होगा।
Okay, so what are the benefits of core banking transformation? One of the most noticeable benefits of core banking system is the enhanced customer experience. These systems allow for more personalized and efficient service, offering customer quicker transaction processing, easier account access, and a range of convenient online services. What are the functions of the core activities of banking? Banking service mainly include accepting deposits, lending money, facilitating transactions, and offering various financial products like saving accounts, loans, and credit cards. Banking plays a crucial role in economy by facilitating the flow of money and enabling economic activities.
So this is the point. Flow of money.
Flow of
Good.
money.
Yeah.
Yes. What is core banking solution used by SBI? Finacle. Finacle is a core banking solution offered by Infosys that is used by SBI to manage its banking operation, including deposit accounts, loans, and wealth management. What is the full form of core banking solution? CBS stands for Core Banking Solutions. It is a centralized online real-time exchange and advanced IT infrastructure linked together every branch of the individual bank.
Please read.
What is the full form of core banking solutions? Core CBS stands for Core Banking Solution. It is a centralized online real-time exchange and advanced IT infrastructure links together every branch of the individual bank. What are the aims of core banking solution? The Center for Banking Studies, commonly known as CBS, is the training arm of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka, which has been operating over the...
No, this is not required.
Hmm.
That's not required for us.
What is core banking advantage and disadvantage? Core banking platform increases operational efficiency by reducing the time it takes to connect with multiple branches. As a result, bank can process transactions faster regardless of the client's physical location. What is the core feature of core banking solution? Core banking solution system is the networking of different banks.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, tell me. Please read.
Yes. What is the core feature of core banking solution? Sir, I was reading something else, I think. Okay.
This is
Co-
what?
core
CBS
bank
system.
Core banking solution system is the networking of different bank branches with the help of which
No. I think we were reading something else. You
yes.
read this. Yeah.
What are the four benefits of banking? Your money is safe. Your money is protected against error and fraud. You get your money faster with no check cashing. You can make online purchases with ease and peace. You have access to other products from the bank. You can transfer money to family and friends with. You have proof of payment.
Good. I think there are so many questions like this coming. Bob re Bob, itna hai. Oh, Baba, candidates, please go through this. What are the four pillars of banking? Please read.
Traditional banking is built on four pillars: SME lending, ensuring deposit taking, access to lender of last resort, and prudential supervision. This paper unveils the logic of the quadrilogy by showing that it emerges naturally as an equilibrium outcome in a game between bank and government.
This is not required.
Yes.
This alone will do. SME lending, insured deposit taking, access to lender of the last resort, and prudential supervision. Thank you. So, candidates, whenever you have a doubt like this, when you search in Google, you will get different questions based on the same topic. Then you can prepare on them so that you'll be able to answer them well. But only suggestion, again and again, let me repeat, we are supposed to talk only what is required to the point, and we should not give extra information also. Supposing when you are introducing yourself, many candidates, they say, I have done BTech degree in the year 2021 from this college. What is the fun of you are telling BTech? What was the subject with which you studied? That at least you must make it clear. Okay, good. Now, this is a very simple thing. Number 3, Namrata, how will you handle this question? Customer says he has lost his SB passbook and wants duplicate. Guide.
Yes, sir. So I will tell him to write a letter regarding this with all of the information about his account, and I will try to issue him a duplicate passbook.
Good. But there can be one more improvement that can be made in what you were telling. Tejas,
Mhm.
can you get an idea? There is one more point to be done before
Yes,
issuing
sir.
this.
We can freeze the account.
No freeze. Not freezing the account. We should make a mention in the ledger that original passbook has been lost and a duplicate is being issued, so that next time if the original comes to us, we should not allow that to be used by the party. Because in the case of savings accounts, many times I think there must be at least 40% of the accounts who have not taken any checkbook and all. They will withdraw money using withdrawal slip, concept known as withdrawal slip. So in such cases, if you do not take note of the fact you have already issued a duplicate, a party with the old passbook may come, and in our hurry burry, if we don't check the signature and pass, then the money will go to the wrong person. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this is also similar thing only. customer lost his FDR, take a letter from him, then note in the register that original has been lost. Then we are supposed to take an indemnity from him. Please note down, we have to take an indemnity from him, and then indemnity on stamp paper. I don't know what is the stamp paper in different countries, in different states. Let me check up. Indemnity stamp value in Tamil Nadu, 200 rupees. The party might have lost a deposit receipt worth 500 rupees, but then he has to spend 200 rupees for buying a non-judicial stamp paper on which this indemnity has to be executed by him, and he has to give to the bank. Could you follow?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, so he has to write on the stamp paper that he has lost, right?
No. Normally banks, what they do,
Mhm.
what they do is they have printed forms. They will
Yes, sir.
ask him to fill the printed forms, and there are some stamps known as special adhesive stamps, which
Okay.
banks may be having. So they will be affixing that and put their seal on that for cancelling. That is one way. Other way is to purchase non-judicial stamp paper from the stamp vendor and get this indemnity typed on that, or start the first paragraph only, then attach the original indemnity with that. That will do. Do you follow? See,
Not
the origin,
exactly.
you have bought a stamp paper. On that you
Mhm.
start writing indemnity. This form of indemnity executed by, just write one line, then get it signed on the stamp paper, attach it along with the original printout of the bank, then ask him to sign in that also. That will, okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Next one, Namrata.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir. An
Namrat.
individual
Hmm.
comes
Hmm.
an individual comes and says that he does not have Aadhaar card or PAN card but wants to open a saving bank account guide.
Hmm.
So, sir, under means if full KYC has not been done, there are certain different guidelines. So he can't open a full-fledged means I can't recall like मीन्स उसमें डिपॉजिट कुछ कम अमाउंट तक किया जा सकता है तो
Hmm.
अकाउंट को ओपन कर सकते हैं पर आफ्टर सम टाइम केवाईसी फुल केवाईसी करना होगा
Please read this. What is small account in banking?
What is small account in banking? Small accounts. In term of Rule 2 Clause FP of notification, small account means a saving account in a banking company where the aggregate of all credits in a financial year does not exceed rupee 1 lakh. The aggregate of all withdrawals and transfers in a month does not exceed rupee 10,000 and
Yeah, see, actually, where a party is not able to give full KYC formalities completed, then we
Hmm.
have to open a basic small banking, small bank. What is that? Small account,
small
small account, SB account, SB account, small account we have to open, and it will be valid for a period of 1 year. And the party has to apply for valid documents within 1 year and produce it after the 1 year. And if by 1 year he is not able to produce it, he has to give a letter stating he has already applied, he has not received it, and give a proof. Then the account may be allowed to be run for another 6 more months. Otherwise, the account will have to be closed and given to him. Okay.
yes sir
Yeah. Very good. So this is basic small SBI small account, or not SBI. Every bank has got this. Very good. And of course, I framed this question with that in mind only. But now I am looking at it from another angle. The individual, if he has got a passport, we can open an account. If the individual has got a driving license, we can open an account. ऐसा कभी होने का possibility ज्यादा नहीं है, कभी कभी हो सकता है. समझ गए आपको?
PAN card is not required, sir.
PAN card is not required, in which case we will take a form number 60, form 60. Form 60 is a document issued by the account holder stating he doesn't have any PAN card. If he is not having a PAN card and he is having fixed deposit, normally people they won't keep. If a person has got fixed deposits and he is getting more than 40,000 interest in a financial year, the bank will have to deduct 20% of the interest as TDS instead of the normal deduction of 10% of the TDS. See, in the case of banks, savings account up to 10,000, it is exempted from tax. Only when a person gets from savings account above 10,000, bank is supposed to deduct TDS of 10%. In the case of fixed time deposits, the bank will have to deduct 10% TDS for people with PAN card, where the interest received by one individual from a bank in a financial year is more than 40,000 if he is below 60 years. If he is above 60 years, the amount is 50,000. Could you follow this? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
So
if
the
the person doesn't want TDS to be deducted, below 60 years, he has to give form 15G. Above 15 years, above 60 years, he has to give form 15H. Nowadays, system has been improvised very much that one can give form 15G, form 15H through your mobile banking, through your internet banking itself. You don't have to go to the bank. See, in this form, when you fill up, you will give the your account number and also your SIF number, customer identification form number. Once you give that, whatever deposits have been opened in this branch or another branch of the bank, everything will be covered and they will be put into one basket and the interest calculation will be added. Could you follow this? This is system known as customer identification form. Everybody is given a customer identification form. Yeah. Yeah. Next question. Next, Tejas, you paste this question 6. Read.
A customer comes and shout at you and others in the branch stating that he has not received debit card through, though he applied 2 months back and back. Guide him. First of all, I will ask him to calm down and offer some water. Then I will listen to his complaint carefully and try to resolve it and ask all the detail what he has given.
Actually, in the bank branches, if you are working as a clerk or as officer, you have a facility to know whether the debit card has been issued or not, and at what stage is it standing. Sometimes it may contain not the correct message. It so happened in my
Or
case,
address.
a debit card was issued and it was delivered to my neighbor. But still, the neighbor has not told me. I was going on after asking them, and that boy checked the CBS and told, sir, system is telling card has been issued and it is on transit. Then that made me ask my neighbor, and he told he has received it. So some such misinformation may be there. However, from sitting at the branch, you can check up whether it has been issued or not. What is the position? Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
good. Now, Unati Goyal,
Yes, sir.
number 7.
A customer wants guidance for setting up a PIN for his ATM card.
Hmm.
Um,
How did you set your PIN? Maybe you
uh,
would have asked your bank people to do it. They would
Sir, I can tell him to change. He can. I will tell him about net banking. He can change the card through net banking. And if he's not he's not well versed about net banking, then I will tell him about to change his ATM card pin from ATM machine, because we can also change ATM pin from that machine also. So I will teach him how to use that machine to change pin number.
Hmm. No, actually, the first time imagining that he doesn't have a debit card, sorry, doesn't have a internet banking or mobile banking. What is the procedure?
If so, um, I
You,
I don't know.
you have to go to the ATM of the bank. You
Okay.
can't go to another ATM of other banks. You have to go to the ATM of the bank, insert this card. It will ask, say, your account number.
Hmm.
Then once you give your account number, it will ask you to give probably the cell phone number, or it will ask you to confirm that this is the cell phone number. Once you say yes, you will get an OTP in the
Hmm.
cell phone. You have to put the customer has to put that OTP in the ATM. Then another screen will open, whereby he has to give the new PIN. The PIN he is going to set 4-digit number, and it will ask him to repeat it again, second time. Then submit. With that, it will be accepted. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Tejas, can you tell me now what I was telling? Supposing the
Yes,
answer given by Unati is 100% correct. Nowadays, if you have internet banking or mobile banking, you can set the number in this directly in through this mobile banking or internet banking.
Yes, because sir,
But
I have myself done it in the past. That's why I remember.
very good. That's good. But for those people who are not having it, this is the procedure I said. Please tell me the procedure I told you, Tejas.
yes, sir. First of all, I will go to the ATM of home branch. Then I will insert the card, and
ATM of
it will ask for
ATM of home branch, nahi. ATM of the
ATM
bank. Of the
bank,
bank.
ATM of the
Of
bank.
the
Yes,
particular
sir.
bank. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will insert ATM, and then it will ask about account number and phone number. Then I will insert account number. It will also ask for OTP sent on mobile number. Then I will enter OTP, and then it will ask to set up four-digit PIN number. And first, if uh,
Both tally.
four-digit PIN number,
If both tally, it will accept.
yes.
First time when you give 2051. Second time you give 2050, it will not accept.
No, yes.
Good. Very good. You told nicely. Very happy.
And so
Uh,
there is one more obligation that we have to make first transaction from that ATM only, from home, from the ATM of of the same bank. We can't make transaction from another bank's ATM to activate the card or
oh, I don't know. I'm not aware of that.
okay.
Because, yeah, maybe. But once it happened, in my case, I wanted to check the balance. I was able to check it balance from another bank account, another bank ATM also. I don't know. Please check
Okay.
it up from your own bank manager. It will be better.
Okay.
Is it that it has to be? I don't think so. And as much as it is approved, it will be accepted in other ATMs also. I don't know. Oh,
Yes, sir, that is not required. Just we have to activate the ATM and we can do transaction from any branch.
another bank ATM also, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As far as I remember, the first transaction should be the same of the same ATM, because I
Or
maybe
or
it was in
maybe
the
it
past.
differ from the bank to bank.
हो
Yes.
सकता है. There was some problem for me with one ATM card. It did not allow further transaction stating that the number has not been registered. Then I had to come here and get it set through my, what is this? Mobile. Then only it is accepting. I don't know what is the reason. Doesn't matter. The, don't talk too much. थोड़ा कम बात बोलना. समझ गया?
Yes.
This question is now Namrata. You are posted as branch manager in your own place. What steps will you take to double the business of the branch? These are all absurd questions. How can a probationary officer know about what he is going to do after 5 years? Very bad. Tell, Namrata.
Yes, sir. So I will try to maximize the Kasha account in my branch, and I will definitely try to reduce the NPAs of my branch, and I will try to do some cross selling as well.
Unati?
Uh, so I will also try to open
Unati,
cast.
what is the meaning of Unati?
So progress.
Oh, so progress, please talk.
I'll try to open the CASA account. So I'll try to explain unbanked people, or who are those people who are not leveraging the service of bank accounts. I will explain them the importance of having bank account, and will influence them to open a bank account with my bank. In that way, we will get more and more CASA accounts. And if one is having already a CASA account, I will try to explain them about recurring deposit and fixed deposit, importance of recurring deposit and fixed deposit, and its savings, importance of savings. And I'll try to influence them to further take participation in FD and RD accounts.
They just
Yes, sir.
take.
I will also try to maximum CASA account, spread awareness about other products of bank, which include insurance, uh, portfolio management service, etc. And also do marketing of home loans and car loans.
At this point, both of you omitted Unati, Namrata. You will have to tell specifically about marketing of retail loan products, then and adopting different measures like what is that? Social websites, using of social websites, print distribution of pamphlets, door-to-door visit, like that. थोड़ा extra points भी बता सकते हैं. Door-to-door
Okay, sir.
visit, then pamphlets being printed and posted in the newspaper of the particular locality, then using any local media newspaper, then requesting our customers to introduce new customers, like that. Different strategies we can adopt. So in the olden days, we used to advertise in the cinema theater also, but आजकल कोई करता नहीं है because internet has come. Now adopt publicity through internet also, if permitted. Okay, so these are the
Sir,
things you can do. Yeah.
credit card can also be issued.
Credit card.
I can also add a point that credit card can also be issued. Means I will
Yeah.
try to issue
So
more credit.
you will try to issue new credit cards. Telling the people
So,
we will issue a new credit card. You can ask them to come and open accounts also. Good.
so cross selling include that credit card as well.
Yeah. Cross selling means what? You are going to a textile shop for buying a kerchief. The fellow sells chudidar kurta. A girl goes there for buying a chudidar. The fellow sells silk sari, 6,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. That is cross selling. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So best wishes. Today all questions are only different questions. Now I want you to think like this by going through the question paper, letter writing question paper, and from there you can make out questions like this and post in our group so that I will take them also here and try to discuss in the class. Otherwise,
Okay,
next
sir.
class tomorrow at what time? Sorry, next class, if possible,
In evening, sir.
in the evening, not evening 5 to 6 nahi hoga. So we will try to have it at 8:30 today, so that Federal Bank boys also, some of them, if they want, they can join, because they are all going to college, they cannot come. So we will have it at 8:30 if possible. Okay, only you three people will be coming, no problem. So we can have it. I will post it in our group also about the timing, because I am going out for some work, and on return, depending on that, I will decide.
Okay.
Thank you so much. In the meantime, please
Okay, sir.
read. Yeah, please read some.
Sir, in
Yeah.
evening, can we discuss some election related questions, because they might ask, because it will be in news about Sansad or legislative assemblies.
Yeah, what each one of you can do is, please check up who is the chief minister, who is the governor, how many assembly seats are there, who is the election commissioner of your state, who is the chief election commissioner of India, what is the name of 2 election commissioners of India, and what is the number of parliament that is going to be constituted, when is the election likely to take place, और क्या है? That's all. In case your state has got upper council also, how many members are there? That. And also check up the methodology of selection of members for Lok Sabha, selection of members for Rajya Sabha, selection of members for Legislative Council. ये सब आपको civics paper में मिलेगा. Google में सर्च करके find out करके आ जाइए. हम शाम
Okay,
को
sir.
questions पूछेंगे.
ठीक है.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
The reason Unati, why I'm talking so freely, is that there was one more Unati with me. So
Okay.
that is the reason why I'm so free with you. And I don't know where is that Unati now. But okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.